That's good. I'm gonna try to get a video of them turtles out there. There's turtles out there on that log, sunning. Zoom in on them. There they are. 3 of them out there. One of them just went overboard. I reckon he didn't like his picture being took. There was 3, now there's 1. It'll be just a little short video. Greg sold his place over there. Lady bought it. JD went over and told her about high water when it comes in. So, but the bayou is down right now. Water's down. You see how low it is. It was up over that. Yesterday, the water came up and was all over the backyard down there. It's gone down since then, but it was all over down there. It's flooded. I just thought y'all might like to have an update about what's going on with the water situation out here. And the bumblebees, the carpenter bees, they're all over the place buzzing around here. JD mixed up some stuff, lemon juice and water, and get rid of them. Alligators ain't come out yet, but the snakes have. He killed one out here the other day. My cats killed one up at the house the other day up in the Bangladesh. So, that one turtle is still there. I just thought I'd post another video, let you all know how things are going down here. It's been a while since I posted one. So, it's middle of March. I'm out here in a thin, short sleeve shirt, comfortable. Get a shot of how it looks up the bayou. Big houseboat still floating. I'm happy to post this for everybody. Hope I get a lot of views on it. Bye, everybody.